Humans detect lies at just 54% accuracy, barely better than a coin flip, which means your gut instinct about people is probably wrong. Seriously, here's how to fix that. Morabian's classic research suggested 55% of emotional meaning comes from body language, 38% from tone, only 7% from words. People rarely listen, but they watch everything. Number 1. Red signal clusters, not single gestures. One crossed arm means nothing. 3 signals pointing the same way. That's a pattern. Never. Number 2. Establish a baseline first. Notice how someone acts when they're relaxed. Any deviation from that baseline is your real signal. Number 3. Forget the eye contact myth. Research shows liars don't avoid your gaze. So stop judging honesty by where eyes land. Really. Number 4. Watch microexpressions. These flashes last between a 20th and a 5th of a second, and they're involuntary. Your face snitches. Number 5. Check the context. Crossed arms might mean defensiveness, or the room's just cold. Situation changes everything. Seriously. Number 6. Mirror to build trust. Subtly matching posture and pace triggers the chameleon effect. They'll like you without knowing why. Really. Number 7. Observe posture for confidence. Expansive, open stance is project authority. And yes, people judge yours within seconds. That matters. Why did the psychologist bring a ladder to the party? To read people's high-level behavior. I know. I'll see myself out. Subscribe. Next up, why your brain falls for manipulation.